Hello weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be bleaching my hair and trying the Purple Shampoo of Btch Co. This is actually the finished look. I could do like four sessions, pero I'm okay na with this one. I'm very satisfied because I'll be coloring my hair naman na purple. So, that's okay. Okay lang yan. And then, I hope you like my tutorial with this one and how I did my first session, my second session, and my third session, which is this one, and how I arrived here. Sobrang hirap. It took me 1 month to do this kasi yung session, my one session means like 1 week because you have to rest your hair every week when you bleach your hair. I hope you enjoy my time-lapse and my explanation. I hope you understand it. So, let's go. So, I will be using BBC's Unleash Your Badass Vibe bleach. I asked BBC na kumuha ko ng 2 to 3 bleach set. So, this is what's inside. Yung mga ni-request ko. Yung ni-request ko for my next hair color video. So, yeah. I need to bleach my hair kasi yung roots ko nakikita na. And then, I will be using gloves. That's when I use gloves. Pag nagbe-bleach ng hair kasi masakit din sa kuko. Believe me, I tried. Ang sakit niya. So, I will be using the Bleach Please Set powder and the Take Your Milk developer. So, this is in 30 volume. So, this is equivalent to 9%. So, hindi siya masyadong matapang. And you will have, for the Bleach Please Set, you will have a pre-bleach please VCO. Madami na ako nito. Sobrang nagko-collect ako ng ganito. So, yon. Okay. So, for my bleach, I usually, sa mga iba kasi, or in my, also in my, like, instructions, ilalas si roots. But in my case, sobrang hirap kasi sa akin since makapal. So, what I do is, I always bleach here first, then sa ends, and then sa roots na. So, pabilisan to. Like, amazing race. Ganon yung gagawin natin. First, you shouldn't wash your hair kasi the dirtier, the better. So, your natural oils will also protect you when bleaching your hair. Paminsan, I set it mga 5 minutes. I let the oil sit in my hair para naman hindi nasayang yung VCO. For the bleach naman, I usually put everything. And also si developer put everything since 1:1 naman siya. Now na na-mix na natin yung hair dye natin. Dapat creamy consistency, like yogurt consistency as always. Yan lang naman yung kailangan natin makita, like yogurt consistency. Ayun. So, just mix it together. Make sure na wala kayong naka-off yung electric fan nyo kasi sobrang powdery nito. So, I will be tying my hair and then work my way up. This is just how I bleach my hair. I tie it, section my hair again, and then for the bleach naman, mid-section first, then ends. Then, sinasabay ko na sa roots kasi mahirap balikan since ako lang mag-isa. And mabilis naman ako mag-bleach. So, sinasabay ko na. So, yun. Set this in around 30 to 45 minutes. So, yung camera ko na-lowbat. So, sorry for that. Lagyan ko na siya ng Purple Shampoo. So, this is like my second session. since ito yung first base. Ay, first base. Ito yung first session. So, ganito siya. And I waited for like 1 week or more. For sure, like 2 weeks na ata to. That's why may mga roots. So, I'm in a different setup kasi it's easier here kasi may malaking mirror dito. So, I might look at here rather than the camera. So, ayun. So, this is my second session again. I'll be using... So, I rinse... Yung first session ko, I rinse it with Purple Shampoo. I might not do the ends na kasi it's really white. So, siguro sa dito lang, sa may mga pink and the roots. Let's go. Time this around 30 to 45 minutes. Maximum is 1 hour. Finished look. Hindi siya pantay. I can do it. I can bleach it again. Hindi naman ako magpo-full blonde for 1 year. I just tried it para makita nyo kung ano yung 1 session, 2 session, and 3 session means and what it looks like. Sa 4 session, you can actually achieve parang light blonde hair. Pero eto, okay na to. You just use the Series Expert, the L'Oreal Series Expert if you want that. If you want the white hair na lumabas, Series Expert I think is the best. But if you want just like the blonde here, like what I'm doing, diba? Okay na ako dito because my base or my color will be good na for my hair. Kasi purple naman yung magiging next hair color ko. I use for the Purple Shampoo is from Btch Co. Hey Purple Shampoo for Blondes. It eliminates brassy and yellow tones and it's 500 ml. So, ayun. Sulit na siya. Actually, hindi ko nga ito mauubos pero ayun, sayang. When do you use the Purple Shampoo? I usually use it, Purple Shampoo, every once a week. Once a week. Yung shampoo ng purple. Yung Purple Shampoo. I hope you enjoy my hair bleaching sessions that I did. It took me almost 1 month kasi 1 session is 1 week. So, 3 sessions siya. I can do 1 more session pero ayoko na. Tama na to. I'm okay with this already with my base sa gagawin kong hair color. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have new video.